Hello students, let's start our day with an interesting story. Are you ready for it? I know you are always ready for stories. So let's start. In a family, the parents were working hard to educate their child. But their child would always look at the things his wealthier friends had, such as expensive mobile phones, watches, etc., and would get annoyed with his parents. Once he got obsessed with the thought of buying a motorbike. The parents did not have money for it. When his father said no, the boy got very angry and decided to leave his house. He was so angry that he wore his father's shoes instead of his own. He was thinking in his mind that he would walk out now and would return only when he became a big man. If they can't even buy me a bike, why do they dream of making me an engineer? He thought. He picked up his father's wallet, which his father would not allow anyone to touch. He thought the wallet would have money and his accounts diary. He would then get to know where all his father had saved money. As soon as he came on the road outside his lane, he felt something was hurting inside the shoes. He felt the pain but kept moving ahead in anger. When he reached a little ahead, he felt his foot was wet. There was water on the road. When he lifted his leg and saw the sole of the shoe was broken and the nail was hurting as well. Anyhow, he reached the bus stop limping. When there was no bus that came to the stop for long, he thought he should open the wallet and check what's inside. He opened the wallet and found a slip inside which read, "Borrowed rupees 10,000 for mobile." He remembered that the previous month his father had got him a mobile by borrowing money from someone. He saw another folded paper inside the wallet. It had a check from his father's office, Hobby Day program. His father had written his hobby, wearing good shoes. He looked at his father's shoes, which he was wearing, and felt very sad. He remembered that for the past 4 months, his mother would tell his father on his salary day to buy new shoes. His father would laugh it off, saying his shoes would last another 6 months. Now I understand how long they would last, the boy thought to himself. He opened the third check from the wallet. On that, there was an ad which read, "Buy a new bike by exchanging old scooter." As soon as he read this, his mind was baffled. This means that Papa will exchange his scooter to buy me. He thought as he ran towards his house. He did not find his father nor the scooter at home. He understood everything and went running to the nearby motorbike agency. He saw his father there. He ran and hugged him. His father's shoulder was wet with the boy's tears. He told his father, "I don't want a motorbike. Please get new shoes for yourself. I do want to be a big man, but like you." Dear students, I hope you have liked and understood the gist of the story. So let's now discuss. Have you ever discussed with your parents about how do they organize money for running their house and fulfilling your educational needs or demands? What are their parents' income and financial responsibilities?
Yes, if I go to my childhood, I have never discussed with my parents regarding how did they manage all the household expenditure. By recalling their conversation, your needs has to be done this month and in the next month of your brother. They used to take care of the needs of grandparents too. They used to decide the priority. And what is your opinion about it?
I do remember that I had never discussed, but I saw my father making monthly budget, through which I understood my family financial managing part and condition. Why do parents want to educate their children despite facing hardships?
Parents have understood the value of education. They can see the difference in their own life and the life of non-educated parents. They are able to understand that education is the only means through which the dreams of their children can come true. They also realize it may take time to read, but results are very sweet. What is your opinion about it?
Now the parents have understood that an educated person has good judgment and knows how to acquire knowledge, skills to make productive use of it. Students, have you got influenced by someone and demanded something from your parents?
Yes, I too have demanded things from my parents, looking at the beautiful, attractive things from my friend. It was not like that. My parents used to buy for me, but looking at friends' belongings, I used to be stubborn. They tried to fulfill it, but at times they tried to make me understand. Slowly, I too understood and stopped stubbornness.
You are right. I also used to be attracted towards the things of my friends. Dear students, according to you, who is a big man and how can you become big?